Welcome back to eMobility Trends. Today, we're exploring a breakthrough that could change everyday life at home. Artificial intelligence is now stepping out of computers and into our living rooms, kitchens, and garages. We're talking about a real home robot that can take care of real chores. Clear tables, load dishwashers, fold laundry, even make espresso. This isn't science fiction anymore. There are a lot of AI tools out there that promise productivity, but often make us work harder. Sunday Robotics is taking the opposite approach. Their mission is simple: give people back their time. This company started in Mountain View, California, inside a small house stacked with hardware. The founders ran 16 3D printers non-stop. Neighbors would peek into the garage and ask what they were building. They joked it was an Etsy business because they didn't want to reveal they were creating a robotics company. That humble garage startup has now grown into one of the most exciting teams in consumer robotics. Behind the technology are two young innovators, Tony Zhao and Cheng Chi. Their vision is that robots should be treated as part of artificial intelligence, not just machines with motors and arms. Instead of programming every physical movement, they teach robots to learn the same way people do: by watching, by imitating, by experiencing the real world. This approach solves one of robotics' biggest challenges, known as the Moravec paradox. Tasks that feel effortless to humans are incredibly difficult for a robot. Think about washing dishes. You push, twist, rotate, and grip in tiny, unique ways that you don't even notice. Humans learn these skills naturally. For robots, they require massive amounts of data and high-quality examples of how real people move. Sunday's answer to this challenge is brilliantly simple. They built special recording gloves that capture accurate hand movements as a person completes a task. Anyone who wears them can teach a robot by demonstration. These people are called memory developers because they're literally building memories for the robot. Every twist, every grip, every fold is added to a growing intelligence that the robot can learn from. Thanks to these methods, Sunday has created one of the largest and most diverse home robotics datasets in the world. That means the robot can learn new household tasks much faster than previous generations of machines. Sunday tests and trains new abilities in just a week or two. That pace of progress is unprecedented in robotics. The result of all this innovation is Memo, a friendly home robot designed to assist with everyday life. Memo can pick up fragile objects like wine glasses, sort kitchen items, and handle laundry. It is built to operate not in controlled labs, but in real homes with real clutter, real families, and real variations in how people live. Sunday is full stack, bringing together hardware, software, AI research, and manufacturing all under one roof. This helps them move fast, improve quickly, and deliver a practical product instead of a lab prototype. Their belief is clear. A home robot is no longer a question of if. It is only a matter of when and how fast the technology gets to all of us. The goal is to give people more time for the things that matter. Time with family, time for hobbies, time for being human. That is the future Sunday Robotics wants to build. If you enjoyed learning about next-generation home robots, make sure to like and subscribe for more innovations shaping the future of mobility, energy, and technology. Thanks for watching eMobility Trends. See you in the next video.